Welcome back everybody to another episode of Tim Time Design, and we are in a home here today in the western suburbs of Chicago that I did a bathroom makeover. You're going to be seeing the befores, and now let's go see the after. Here we are in the finished, completed master bathroom, which I'm so proud of. I wanted to do more of a contemporary look here, so did the client want a contemporary look, so this is what we have. We have white Turkish marble on the floor. Where I'm standing currently is where the tub was originally in the bathroom. It filled this whole thing. There were steps to get into, a trip hazard, just stepping on a step to wet feet, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so I ripped the tub out, relocated the tub, and put the vanity here. So we have hers here, his here, and what I wanted to do to keep it more of a contemporary look, rather than having cabinetry go all the way to the floor, I designed this is all custom of course, where it's elevated and suspended because I wanted it to look like it was completely floating. The laminate here is walnut. This is all wood veneer that came from Germany. 2 times I rejected the first run because it wasn't, the grain of the wood wasn't to my liking, just a little particular. Then I had the wood bleached because walnut is usually kind of brown. So I had it bleached and then I had a gray stain put on it. After that they did a very high gloss because I wanted the reflective value like my forehead. So I wanted it to be shiny and very contemporary looking. The tops here are called Black Crocodile. I just love the name of it. So here I did a vessel sink along with the tub. It's white, but it is not porcelain. Most sinks, actually probably 90% or greater, don't quote me on it, are made of porcelain. They're fired, they're ceramic, they can crack, chip, whatever. The sink and the tub are from Victoria and Albert, and it's made out of volcanic crushed limestone and then formulated. So you can tap it, I don't know if you can even hear, very, very durable, very clean, great designs. I love them, love them for a contemporary look. The faucet here is by Hans Grohe, and it's a waterfall. Isn't that the coolest thing? Again, I love the simplicity of it, and you can use it as a shelf to set your cologne, toothbrush, toothpaste, whatever, but please remove it after you're done. But so it stays nice and clean and attractive looking. So we put sconces here for his and hers. One thing with sconces, they're great. I think they look great in bathrooms, but they're not real practical for men shaving, women putting makeup on. So we have additional lighting above for recessed lights, so you get good lighting to do eyes, makeup, shaving, what have you. So very important. We also heated the floor here. This has all radiant heat in the marble. It's a honed finish, 12 by 24, and what we did was subway laid it so the joints aren't all looking like squares. I wanted it to be more movement in the whole pattern. Over here is the tub, which I think is the crowning jewel of the bathroom. You walk in from the doorway and you see this floating tub. Absolutely so glamorous. I feel like I'm in Hollywood or something. And again, we have the matching faucet here. Beautiful candles. You can just see yourself soaking here, can't you? And then we're going to move over to the other side of the bathroom. Believe it or not, this space, which I did not change this wall whatsoever, used to be the shower. This used to be the shower for the master bath. Can you believe this? I still can't. I'm amazed when I look at it today. But we went ahead and gave my client all kinds of storage in here for linens and towels, etc., etc., etc. Beautiful. It looks like it was planned. It was in a way. It was a shower. Over here, it's the only thing I didn't actually relocate. The toilet was here. But what I wanted to do was have no drywall walls in here whatsoever. So I designed all these glass doors. So this is actually the glass door to the toilet, which is in here. I just wanted to keep the space all open. And then what we did was frosted a section so that you still see the positive, negative, but you don't see the toilet or the commode. Funny story, I have to talk about this. It was just so funny. So we were in the midst of doing all the marble flooring. I had designed the shower to stop at this height of the wall, the glass wall. I designed all that wall was going to be done just to the top of the thing. I was standing here on installation doing one of these, and I'm like, I can't stop the marble halfway up the wall. I thought it would look ridiculous. So, and a lot of times these things happen on design in real time. You can plan and plan and plan, but then when you're actually into it and see how things are manifesting, things change sometimes. So I said, we have to go all the way up the entire wall, which was quite a bit. We had to get more material, more time, etc. But can you imagine if that line stopped and that was painted wall above there? It would have been horrible. So I'm glad my client allowed me to do that because that was kind of a surprise. So here is now the walk-in shower, no door. Anytime you can design a shower, in my mind, without having a shower door, all the better. So what we have is just a nice walk-in shower, no door. We needed to have a bench just to sit, to wash your feet, whatever. So what I designed here was, which I think is really sleek, is this is actually tempered glass. All of the walls are tempered glass as well. And got these brackets, again from Germany. They make some of the coolest things. So again, I wanted it to look like it was floating, like we did for the vanity. I wanted everything to be calming and just floating and everything just kind of zen in a way. So I think that works out really well, and it disappears. And then here we have great shower. All these Axmore by, again, Hans Grohe, very contemporary, very sleek, no knobs, everything is very nice. Again, we have a shelving here for shampoo, what have you. Again, all of our Turkish marble, Turkish white marble, which I use throughout everywhere. We have a little bit of this glass tile, just to break it up a little bit. It's this basket weave, it's very dimensional, I love it, it's really cool. One of the nice things in this shower is I used a trench drain. So many times you'll see a drain in the center of a shower. And this is a long trench drain, trough drain, and the whole entire shower floor is pitched to this direction. So you can see we have, this I think is 32-inch drain, if memory serves me correct. Can take a lot of water, so you're never standing in a, when you have a little drain here, sometimes you'll get that water build up and everything. But by having a nice big trench drain, the water just flows out, it's completely dry all the time. So there we have it, the completed master bath, which I think is going to be timeless in style and design. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Tim Time, and looking forward to seeing you again. So for now, bye-bye.